This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Absolutely stunning custom-built luxury home with all the bells and whistles. Elegantly designed Weston open floor plan, high ceilings and picturesque windows perfect for entertaining. This immaculately maintained home has impressive quality throughout, including custom painting, inside and out, gourmet kitchen, west/walk-in pantry and wine closet, huge living and dining areas, family room west, custom-built entertainment CTR and fireplace, and an attached game room, spacious master suite west/newly remodeled master bath and fantastic closet space, DPL tray ceilings, whole house generator, water filtration system, oversized 3-car garage, gas-heated pool, hurricane shutters, upgraded alarm system, and the list goes on. Located on 0.39 acres with lake and golf course views and coveted Legends of SUNTREE. For more information, review the details below.